Ever wonder what your dog would say if you told him you were going on a trip? Imagine the excitement in their eyes, the wagging tail, and the boundless energy that follows. Car ride? Adventure? Did someone say squirrel? The mere mention of these words can send your furry friend into a frenzy of joy and anticipation. Yep, that sounds about right. Traveling with our furry friends can be a blast. Whether it's a beach getaway, a mountain hike, or a simple road trip, having your dog by your side makes every moment more special. Just ask my wife Portia and me. We take our pups everywhere. From weekend getaways to cross-country adventures, our dogs are always part of the journey. But a little planning goes a long way. Ensuring a smooth trip for both you and your pet requires some preparation. First things first, a vet visit is a must. This is crucial to ensure your pet is fit for travel. Make sure your furry friend is up to date on all their shots and has a clean bill of health to travel. This not only keeps them safe, but also prevents any health issues during the trip. It's like getting a permission slip from the doctor, only way more fun because puppies. Plus, your vet can provide you with any necessary travel documents. Next up, pack your pet's suitcase like you'd pack for a toddler. Who barks? Think of all the essentials they might need. Food, water, bowls, a leash, a comfy bed or blanket, and of course, their favorite toys. Don't forget poop bags. These are the basics, but they make a huge difference. Trust me, nobody wants to be caught without those. It's always better to be prepared for any situation. Speaking of toys, pack a new one. A fresh toy can be a great distraction. It's like bringing a brand new crayon to school. Instant excitement. This can keep your pet entertained and happy during the journey. A little novelty goes a long way to keep your pet entertained and distracted during the trip. It can make the travel time pass more quickly for them. And here's a pro tip from a seasoned pet traveler. Pack a familiar-smelling blanket or towel. This can be a game changer. It'll make your pet feel safe and secure, like a warm hug from home. The familiar scent can be incredibly comforting in an unfamiliar environment, helping to reduce anxiety and stress. All right, bags are packed, the car's loaded, and your furry co-pilot is ready for adventure. Whether you're heading to the mountains, the beach, or just a weekend getaway, traveling with your pet can be a fun and rewarding experience. But it does require some planning and preparation to ensure a smooth journey for both you and your furry friend. But before you hit the open road, let's talk safety. It's crucial to make sure your pet is secure and comfortable during the trip. This not only keeps them safe, but also minimizes distractions for you as the driver. Just like we wouldn't let a toddler roam free in a moving car, we need to keep our furry friends secure. Unrestrained pets can be a hazard, not just to themselves, but to everyone in the vehicle. A travel carrier is your best bet, especially for cats or smaller dogs. These carriers provide a safe and cozy space for your pet, reducing their anxiety and keeping them from moving around too much. It's their own little den on wheels. Make sure to line it with their favorite blanket or toy to make it even more comforting. Make sure it's big enough for them to stand up, turn around, and lie down comfortably. A cramped space can make them anxious and uncomfortable, which is the last thing you want on a long trip. No one likes a cramped road trip, not even furry ones. Always choose a carrier that provides ample space for your pet to move around. For larger dogs, a doggy seatbelt or harness is a must. These devices are designed to keep your dog secure and prevent them from becoming a distraction or getting injured in case of sudden stops. It clips right into your car's seatbelt buckle and keeps your pup from turning into a furry projectile if you need to slam on the brakes. Safety first, always. Plus, it gives you peace of mind knowing your pet is secure. Now, I know what you're thinking. Ellen, my dog gets car sick. This is a common issue, but there are ways to manage it. Don't worry, I've been there. Car sickness can be tough, but with a few adjustments, you can make the ride more comfortable for your pet. Ask your vet about motion sickness meds. Make sure your pup travels on an empty stomach, and crack the windows for fresh air. These steps can significantly reduce the chances of your pet feeling nauseous. A little breeze never hurt anyone, except maybe a dog with a flapping jowl. Fresh air can help keep your pet calm and reduce motion sickness. And remember, frequent stops are your friend. These breaks are essential for your pet's comfort and well-being. Not just for bathroom breaks, though those are important too, but for your pup to stretch their legs, get some fresh air, and maybe chase a squirrel or two. These stops can make the journey more enjoyable for your pet. Just kidding. Keep them on a leash, people. Safety is paramount, even during breaks. A leash ensures your pet doesn't wander off or get into trouble.